Hi guys, welcome to Everything Stitching. In this video, we finally make the throw pillow that we've all been waiting for. I love it. It came out so good. This pattern, or this stitch, I should say, is perfect for this because it's just enough where it looks like the crochet stitching, right? But it's not super holey where your finger is gonna get stuck through it. I love this one. It came out so good. So I think you guys are gonna have a blast making it with me. Sorry if the camera's moving. Cashew is rubbing on it. Anyways, stay tuned. It's not super tricky. It's one stitch the entire time, and I think you guys are gonna really enjoy learning how to do this one. And then you guys have something to decorate your house with afterwards, so it's awesome. Okay, stay tuned guys, here it comes. Okay, so to make this crochet pillow, this one is going to be a 12 by 16 inch pillow. The reason why I'm making this size is because that is the pillow form that I have. So I altered this pattern to fit that. So what I'm using is a medium weight yarn. This one is, let's see, this one's cotton, right? This one, yeah. Yeah, okay. So, and I know that I crochet pretty tight, so that's why I'm using a 6mm hook. But if you crochet on the like looser side, then go ahead and use a 5mm hook for this. But like I said, since I crochet pretty tightly, I'm gonna do 6. So I put a slip knot on my hook, and I'm gonna start by chaining 51 to get started on this. Now, this crochet pillow, you can basically make two of these 12 by 16 inch well, not squares, but rectangles that we're going to crochet. You can make 2 of them and then crochet them together to form your pillow, or you can make 1 and then the other side you can use different type of fabric, like maybe something really fuzzy or fluffy or soft or something, as like just a straight, you know, material. Or you can do crocheted on both sides. So either way works totally fine. I guess it depends on the look that you're going for, and then also like how much yarn or fabric or all that kind of stuff. But like I said, just go ahead and first chain 51, and then we are going to be doing some herringbone half double crochets. And if you're not sure how to do that stitch, I will walk you guys through that. It's basically just like a half double crochet, or like a double crochet, but you're just adding 1 extra tiny easy little step. So I will show you that when we get to it. But like I said, I'm just going to work on chaining 51, and then I'm going to meet you guys back here. Okay, so we have a chain of 51. Now, okay, let me take this off. This is getting stuck. Okay, I chained 51. Now in our second chain from the hook, we're going to do the herringbone half double crochet. So just as if you're going to do a normal double crochet, you're going to yarn over, put your hook through, pull up, and now you're going to have 3 on, right? Now, the next step for this is you actually continue to pull through this hook, or this loop that's on your hook. So you're actually going to end up with 2 on your hook instead of the normal 3. Then you yarn over and then pull through them both. So let me show you again. Yarn over, go into your next stitch, pull up, and instead of yarning over and pulling through 2 like we normally would, you're actually going to pull through that stitch. You're going to have 2 on your hook, then you're going to yarn over and then pull through those 2. So that's what you're gonna do. And you're gonna do that in every single stitch until you get back. So you're gonna end up with 50 of these herringbone, oops, of these herringbone half double crochets. If you're used to half double crochets or double crochets, your reaction is just to quickly yarn over, but we got to remind ourselves, no, we're doing the herringbone. So we just got to pull through, then we yarn over, and just keep going. So let's go ahead and work all the way down until we get to the end, which would be 50 of these herringbone half double crochets. And then I will show you guys what to do. So basically this is what the pattern is for this pillow. Now this 51 is actually not the length, not the 16-inch part of your pillow form, but actually the 12-inch of your pillow form. So you can have fun with your colors where you can do like blocks of colors as you work your way through. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do about 20 rows of this gray color, and then I'm going to add in another color and then like block that color for about 20 rows. Because what you're going to do is you're actually going to end up with 63 rows total to fit your pillow form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, I guess it depends on how many colors. If I do 3, actually I think I'm going to do 3. So I'm just going to do 3 rows of 21 of each color. So I'm going to get 3 colors total. So this gray, and then I'm going to get another color and another color. So I'm going to do 21 rows and then color change, and then 21 rows and then color change, and then we're going to be at the end, right? And that'll be 63 rows of doing this herringbone half double crochet. So let's go ahead and show you that one more time. We yarn over, put our hook in, pull up, and pull through, oops, pull through this loop, yarn over, and then there you go. So we're just going to work that all the way till we get to 21. And then once we get to 21, I'm going to color change with you guys. And then I'm going to do another 21, and then I'm going to color change with you guys and then do the remaining 21. And then at that point, we're going to decide if we're going to make another panel or another pillow panel to do the other side, or if we want to just use fabric for the opposite side. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I'm not sure what kind of fabric I have, so I'm actually going to look through my stash. If I have one that matches and looks super cute with it and cozy, I'm going to go with that. If I don't, then I'm just going to go ahead and crochet 2 panels, and then I will show you guys how to put it together, whether you are doing the 2 crocheted panels or one side with fabric and one side with crochet. Okay, I will meet you guys back here after I finish 21 rows of this gray, and I'll show you guys how to color change. Okay, so I am on the last stitch of the 21st row. And before I finish this stitch, I'm actually going to change my color now. And I'm going to do this one for the center color, and then I'm going to do this one for my last color. So remember, we're doing 21 rows of each color. So I'm going to act like I'm going to finish off this last stitch. But here, let me see. I think I'm going to change it now. So I yarned over, put my hook through, and instead of yarning over and then pulling through, right, we're actually going to yarn over and pull through with our second color. And this is how I have chosen to change my color on this round. And then, there we go. So then we're going to chain 2 like we have been, and keep going. But before I keep going, I actually want to tie off, and then I'll weave in the ends in a bit. But I'm actually going to get this all tied off so nothing comes undone. It's a lot of work, right? We don't need to lose our work. Okay, so I chained 2, right? And now I'm going to yarn over and work in that same stitch, and then just keep doing, keep doing the same stitch that we've been doing this entire time. And just keep doing that now for the next 21 rows of this color, and then I'm going to do the same exact way to color change it to my last color, right? And then don't worry about this because we're going to weave these in later and it'll look great. So there we go. So we just keep working down our herringbone half double crochet all the way down into every single stitch of every single row, right? So 21 rows of each color. And after we do 21 rows of this color, I'm going to switch it to this one. And then we're going to have 3 blocks color for our pillow. And then when we are finished with that, I'll meet you back and show you guys the next step of finishing our pillow. I'm thinking I want to do, I think I've actually finally decided that I want to do 2 panels of, or 2 crocheted panels for my pillow. I think that'll be fun. And I think what I might actually do is create a couple different colors on the other side, so that way, like, depending on the day, like, you can flip your pillow so it looks really cool, right? So I'm gonna make a second panel exactly like this one, right? 21 rows of one color, 21 rows of one color, 21 rows of the other color, right? Doing the herringbone half double crochet. So I'm gonna make 2 panels, and then when I finish both panels, I'm gonna meet you guys back here and I'm gonna show you guys how to put them together and then put your pillow form inside, and then how to close it up. So I will meet you guys back here once we've finished both of our panels and then assembling pretty much the whole thing from there. Okay, I'll meet you guys back here in a jiffy. Okay, you guys, I finished. I have 2 panels for the pillow. Here is one of the panels, and here is the other panel. I'm really happy with how they came out. And I really like this yarn that I used. It's like soft, but then not like too crazy. It feels kind of durable at the same time. So I'm really excited about it. So here's what I'm gonna do. I kind of went back and forth thinking, okay, how do I wanna attach all the pieces? And I think not all the pieces, but both sides. I think what I wanna do is do the sewing technique where I'm putting right sides together, and I'm gonna single crochet all the way around the border, leave enough room to shove my pillow form into it. And then after I do that, then like sew up the ends of it. So what I'm gonna do is look closely at both of my panels and find out if there's any pieces of yarn or something that got a little messed up as I was crocheting. And that way I can make sure that I have the side that I want to be the right side that's facing outward, and then the side that maybe has like an imperfection or two to try and put it on the inside. So I like this side better. So this is gonna be my good side of this color. And then I know on this coral color, a part of the yarn started to fray a little as I was crocheting. Oh, here it is. Here's the spot. It's like a little messed up right there. So I want that to be my bad side, right? So I've got both of my good sides together right now. And now what I'm gonna do is get my light gray color, and I'm going to single crochet all around my borders, okay? And I'm gonna do it around 3 sides, and then I'm gonna leave one side open, and then I'm gonna flip it right side out, and then I'm gonna slip in my pillow form, and then this side that I have open, I'm then gonna sew up together and get it all closed up. So once I'm done single crocheting all the way around my edges, I am gonna meet you back here, and I will flip it right side out and shove in my pillow form right here. And then I'll show you how to close it up. So I'll meet you guys back here in a jiffy. Okay, so I've done the single crochet all the way around. I thought I was gonna flip it inside out, but you know what? Now that I look at it, I think it looks really cute with the border on there. And I might even just keep adding to it whenever I feel like it. But I'm not gonna flip it inside out. I decided I'm keeping it this way. So now I'm going to slip in my pillow form. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue single crocheting down this line to close this up. When I started on this side, did not leave myself enough there. So I'm gonna make sure that when I come back around, I put this tail inside, like that. This turned out so good. I'm really happy with it. This is just great. I love this stitch. It's really fun to do. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish up sewing down or crocheting down this section, and then I'm gonna show you guys when it's all done. Like I said, we're just gonna single crochet into each stitch all the way to the end, like we've been doing all the way around. It just feels so nice. I love it. You guys, we did it. I love how it came out. Look how cute it is. And then just depending on like what color you want to show out one day, that's what you have, and then you can flip it around. It is just so much fun. I absolutely love it. It was a real joy to make too. It took a while because I mean, yeah, there's a lot of rows you're doing, but it is so worth it. Like if you were to get this throw pillow at a store, like come on, right? Throw pillows are so expensive, and plus like you made it yourself and it's so cute. So I hope you guys had fun making it. Feel free to let me know what colors and patterns you guys decided to make with it, and even sizes if you went smaller or bigger, anything like that. But it was really fun. And stay tuned, I have more videos to come as always, so feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching.